Did DJI just accidentally reveal its entire 2026 lineup before the year even started? Because if you've been following the FCC filings and warehouse leaks, this isn't random speculation anymore. These are registered products, cleared devices, hardware that is already in the pipeline. Despite regulatory pressure in the United States, DJI quietly pushed multiple products through certification just before the December cutoff. And now, with leaks from trusted sources and retailer inventory screenshots surfacing, the roadmap is starting to look very real. Today, we're breaking down the biggest upcoming DJI products of 2026, what they are, when they might launch, and why this year could reshape DJI's entire ecosystem. Let's start with the headliner. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to arrive before April 2026, and based on warehouse sightings in China, stock is already building. That alone tells you launch is close. Now here's where it gets interesting. Early design leaks clearly show two versions, a standard Pocket 4 and a Pro model with a dual-lens camera module. Yes, Pro. That suggests DJI is separating casual creators from serious content producers this time around. Even more intriguing, the Pocket 4 briefly appeared on Amazon in what looked like a placeholder listing, exposing core specifications before being pulled. Classic pre-launch move. Expected pricing for the Creator Combo sits between $699 and $749, slightly higher than the previous generation. But if dual lens capability and upgraded sensors are part of the equation, that bump makes sense. The Pocket 4 feels like DJI positioning itself to dominate compact vlogging in 2026. Avata 360. Now this one is wild. The DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious FPV drones DJI has ever built. Leaked bundle images and early pre-order listings hint at dual 1/1.1-inch sensors capable of 8K 360 video and high frame rate 4K FPV capture. And here's the twist. The camera module reportedly rotates, allowing you to switch between spherical 360 capture and traditional FPV mode. Transmission is expected to use DJI's O4 or O5 system with over 20-kilometer range potential. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, Cinewhoop design with full prop guards, and up to 30 minutes of flight time are all part of the rumor package. If it launches before May 2026 as expected, this could be DJI's most immersive consumer drone yet. Think VR creators, extreme sports, cinematic FPV storytelling. This one feels like DJI pushing into a new category entirely. If Avata 360 is ambitious, the Lito series is strategic. FCC filings confirm both the Lito 1 and Lito X1 are registered and expected in the second or third quarter of 2026. These are sub-250-gram drones designed to replace the Mini lineup. And yes, leaked prototype arms closely resemble earlier Mini designs, which basically confirms the direction. The Lito 1 is rumored to be the entry-level replacement for Mini 4K, while the Lito X1 sits higher, potentially rivaling the Mini Pro series. Features could include 360-degree obstacle avoidance, O5 transmission with 20-kilometer range, Wi-Fi 6 support, internal storage up to 42 gigabytes, and even dual battery options offering close to 50 minutes of flight time. Expected pricing places the Lito 1 around $330 for the base version and the Lito X1 around $759. Affordable, regulation-friendly, and packed with features that used to belong only to premium models. DJI clearly wants to dominate the lightweight drone space again. Quietly registered in December, the Osmo 360 is DJI's next-generation 360 action camera. Certification clearance means global availability, including the United States. Pricing is expected between $499 and $579 for the standard combo, with adventure bundles slightly higher. Modern wireless upgrades, improved battery life, and faster workflows for immersive creators are expected. This positions DJI to compete aggressively in the 360 content space while aligning with the Avata 360 ecosystem. Smart move. Very smart move. So, what do we know? DJI is not slowing down. Pocket 4 is likely first out of the gate. Avata 360 follows before summer. The Lito X1 lands mid-year. Osmo 362 rounds out the immersive side. Add in new gimbals, microphones, and power stations, and 2026 looks like a coordinated product wave rather than scattered releases. The real question is strategy. Is DJI intentionally accelerating launches before regulations tighten further, or is this simply the company executing one of its most organized product cycles ever? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which product are you most excited about? Pocket 4 Pro, Avata 360, or Lito X1? And if you want real-time updates as these launch dates get confirmed, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, because 2026 is shaping up to be DJI's most interesting year yet.